I just installed a Ream 5-ton RE14. I'm just going to show you how I set up my suction line. I've had problems with this model house before because the line sets aren't strapped properly in the walls, and the customers will actually pick up on the impact noise from the scroll compressor. They'll hear a thud, and it'll just transmit down that suction line into the house. Inside the house will actually be noisier than the outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to manipulate the line sets a little bit, and I'm going to add 90s in my suction line. So what I'm going to do is come out where the suction line is right here, and I'm going to come out like 6 inches. Then I'm going to a 90 go in about 8 inches, and I get a 90 up. Then it's going to go up 45, go in the wall. So basically, I'm creating like a shock loop to take up that compressor impact noise before it goes into the structure, instead of just coming straight down and right into the unit. It's a fatal mistake because you'll get noise going into the structure. So this sounds, I didn't have any problems. This thing runs great. It's nice and quiet. But I'll actually show you a workaround that I did years ago on the same model.
Unit I put in 2002. It's had a very bad vibration problem from the impact noise of the air conditioner. The condenser, this had a spam can, and when I put this thing in, it was so noisy in the house, it's unbearable. So I actually put a vibration isolator. This actually did nothing. And then I had one here that did absolutely nothing to cure it. So the quick fix, or to eliminate the impact noise going into the house, guaranteed, is to pound a copper rod into the ground. That goes down about 3 feet. That dryer is on that unit by design because vibrations coming out. I want mass to take up some of the vibrations. So my vibrations come down here, and then it goes down to the ground. This is actually silphos to the copper pipe. It has to be silphos to the pipe, brazed to the pipe, and it eliminated the vibration coming into the house. I just left this on because I didn't want to take it back off, but this is 2002 that this was done. So if you ever have a condenser that's vibrating, forget the pads and all that kind of stuff. It's not going to do nothing. It's because the lines in the wall are not strapped. But the other unit, because it had a reciprocating compressor, which is spring mounted, there was never a problem. But once I put the scroll in, it's rigid mount. That's a problem. So that took up the impact noise. And the way that I found that was the problem is I actually stabbed the contactor running with the unit pumped down, cut the line, ran inside the house. The noise was gone, so I knew it was coming through the suction line. So that's a quick, easy fix. Looks kind of funny, but it is effective. Total elimination. Total elimination. Some other things I did. I got my rubber pads suspended from the suction line. Did this years ago. This actually helps too, believe it or not, from the line vibration. I've done this before too. This actually works on gas lines too. When you have a noisy gas line, when the gas valve's coming on, customer complains they hear a clunk. Not too much anymore, but I suspend these from gas lines, and this actually works really good too. It's pretty heavy. But that unit was actually noisier inside the house than it was out here. But that's the quick fix. It really does help with the impact noise in the startup.